जैसे हमने सोलर पैनल के बारे में पढ़ा हुआ था पहले, तो प्रैक्टिकल रूप में कभी देखा नहीं था, और आज आप लेके आए हैं किस प्रकार से प्रैक्टिकल रूप में उसे वर्किंग किया जाए, कैसे पावर को कहाँ कहाँ यूज़ किया जाए, कितना, तो उस प्रकार से सभी अलग अलग रूप में आपने डिवाइड करके हमें प्रैक्टिकल रूप में बता दिया कि सोलर पैनल किस प्रकार से वर्किंग करेगा। बहुत बढ़िया था, सही था।
We have got hands-on experience on making the smart solar box which contains a battery and a charge controller. So it was a fun exercise, and at the same time we have learned how, we have gained hands-on experience to make this standalone system which can be helpful for the rural areas where electricity is not available, let's say, to use it for the lighting purpose and other small household purpose. So the workshop was very informative, and it was organized in a well manner. Like there was one in the starting, there was a presentation which have provided the sufficient background to start with the actual hands-on experience. So it was a good combination of theory and practical knowledge. So I was very delighted to have in that.
So in the first half we learned about the solar energy and the energy management system and assembled the box, and the second half was delivering this to the ITI students. They also assembled the box. It improved my soft communication skills and improved my way of delivery. I think such kind of workshops also necessary at school levels so as to develop a curiosity among the school students regarding the renewable energy. At the end of the workshop, we donated this to the school so that it will be helpful for students' project purposes.